Alright, good morning everyone. Wanted to show you the all-in-one wine pump transfer using the PET Carboy attachment from the all-in-one wine pump. So here you can see we just have the racking cane going down into the first vessel. That line goes over to our receiving carboy, blue line to the blue line on the vacuum pump, and red line to the red line here on the carboy. I've got everything sanitized and washed and everything, and so we're ready to turn on the pump. We've reduced the tension on the valve 3 turns, and so we're ready to go. So you can see the wine is already starting to flow. There it goes. And you can see that the carboy is not collapsing or anything. Everything looks really good. So just a quick video here. Just wanted to show you guys how easy this was, how much easier it makes life. Have a good day.